That HIV, I terminate it to the roots. I send the virus of the Holy Ghost to attack it now and terminate it. That kidney failure. The Holy Ghost is coming upon you. That sickness you feel, that liver cirrhosis. Oh, Kabarabakata. The cirrhosis of the Holy Ghost is coming upon you right now. And that liver cirrhosis cannot comprehend it. It will flush out. That heart condition. You are coming under the condition of the Holy Ghost. Every other condition disappear. Are you going through any mental issue? Are you going through any mental problem? In your head, in your brain, in your mind. I see the transforming power of the Holy Ghost coming upon you right now. I kick that ugly thing out of your life. I kick it out.